I'm so excited for this. Hey everyone, so in Vlogmas day 26, when I was going over what gifts I got for Christmas, I talked about how I ordered something and it didn't arrive yet, and it finally arrived. I watched an interview for After We Collided, and Hero looked fine in the hoodie that he was wearing. And I was like, okay, I want to get it. So when I checked, it was sold out. So I waited, and then one morning I just woke up and it was like 3 in the morning and I couldn't go back to sleep, and I thought, okay, let's check the website and just see, maybe it's in stock. So I checked and it was in stock. So I waited a couple hours just to feel more awake to make sure I bought the right thing, and I ordered it. It's a clothing company called Young Goat, and honestly, a lot of their products are actually really dope. There was this blue hoodie and I wanted to get it, but I was like, it's kind of expensive, so I'm just gonna get the pink one for now. So we're gonna open it up. This is the pink Young Goat hoodie. I love the packaging, by the way. Young Goat Clothing Ltd, EST 2019, and then it's the website. Can I show you guys the back without showing you my address? I don't know if you can see, there's the Young Goat logo, there's the goat there, that's so dope. Okay, let's open it. I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna try it on. I need scissors, hold on. No way. Look at that. Their logo, Young Goat. This feels so good. Oh my god, and then the sleeve. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I ordered a large because I usually go bigger with the hoodies because I like oversized hoodies. Yo, yo, wait, what? That's so sick. Okay, there's the like, that's there. Oh my god, that's there. That's so dope. What the heck? Oh, this feels so nice. What the heck? Hello? What do you think?
It is beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, hold on. This says, does it have paper instructions?
Here, come.
Okay.
Come here.
Well, mom approves.
You going somewhere?
No, I wanted to try it on.
Oh, you're nicely dressed.
Thank you very much.
You have it on?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm in the washroom. Mom's washroom. Are you coming up? It says 5 to 8 minutes. Okay.
Thank you, Young Goat.
You're welcome.
How much you pay for that? You use my credit card?
No, I used my own money because I wanted to have good credit, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Also, it was like pretty expensive, not gonna lie, so that's my first big purchase. It's so cute. What the heck? Okay, I guess I should probably go show Dad. He's gonna think, I don't know what he's gonna think. He's probably gonna be like, it's another pink hoodie, because I have quite a few. Hello, Father. Okay, I'm gonna just leave this here. You can hear. Huh?
Go bye.
Yeah, I think it's very cute. And it feels nice.
But that big?
No. I don't think so.
That's okay, you're growing it.
No, it'll shrink in the wash.
Yeah, you wash, but you're growing it, you'll grow again. You'll never stop away.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Okay, what? That's so dope. What the heck? Anyways, it feels really soft. I like the texture of this, how it's different than the texture of the actual sleeve. Then I like the little details. I know it's small and simple, but it's still really pretty. Wow. Jen's not home for me to get her reaction. That's okay. I don't know how I'd wear it like that. I don't know. That was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, whatever you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.